Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to format documents in Word. We'll start with the basics of text formatting. To change how your text looks, simply select it and then choose your desired font, size, or color from the Home tab. You can also make text bold, italic, or underlined to highlight important information. For efficiency, the Format Painter tool allows you to copy specific formatting from one section and apply it to another with just a few clicks, saving you valuable time. Next, let's look at paragraph and layout adjustments. Proper spacing greatly improves readability. You can easily modify line and paragraph spacing from the Paragraph group on the Home tab. Setting indents and tabs helps organize your text, creating a clean, structured look. For more complex documents, inserting section breaks allows you to apply different page orientations, headers, or footers to distinct parts of your document, offering great flexibility in design. Now, let's explore the power of styles and themes. Using built-in styles, like Heading 1 or Normal, ensures consistent formatting throughout your document, making it look professional and easy to navigate. You can also create custom styles to perfectly match your specific formatting requirements. Furthermore, applying a document theme from the Design tab instantly changes the overall look, including colors and fonts, giving your entire document a cohesive and polished appearance with minimal effort. Finally, let's cover some advanced formatting features. Headers and footers are excellent for including consistent information like document titles or author names, and page numbers are essential for longer documents. Word can automatically generate a table of contents based on your applied heading styles, saving you hours of manual work. For specific layouts, like newsletters or brochures, you can easily divide your text into multiple columns, enhancing the visual presentation of your content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.